rock stars! Welcome back, legends of the internet. In this overview, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 6 divided by 6 over 23, then times 23. First we do this multiplication. 6 over 23 times 23. We can easily cancel this 23 and this 23. So here we have this 6 only, and 6 divided by 6 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 6 divided by 6 over 23. To do this division, write down the 6, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 23 over 6. And here again, we have times 23. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 6 and this 6, which gives 23. And here again, we have times 23. So here we have this 23 times 23, which equals 529. And this is our final answer to this problem. Like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed the content.